Hey everybody, this is Matthew.
I'm Marissa, which is, you all know who we are.
And we're about to open this box. Is Walt Life Disney. So let's reopen it.
Yeah.
Oh, kind of. And as soon as I get it open here.
You do it upside down, no? Yeah, we did upside down. Oh, ooh, we're not supposed.
Oh no.
We did upside down. He has it open upside down that we're not supposed to see it. We're supposed to use our hand to feel it. So I'll try to go first. Nope, just let me see the box. This is what people been doing. Now you can just see people, but you don't know what's inside.
No, you don't.
Now I'll go first. Let's see. I'll go first. Is it 2 or 1? I don't know. It's a Mickey Mouse, and you can wear it during summertime. Want to say something?
This is the hat you can use for work and
summer vacation, and the cost is oh, there's no cost, but it's from Orlando. Who's ready to go to Disney World? So for what they do for Walt Life, they go to 4 parts: Disneyland, which is California; Disneyland Hong Kong, that's like in China; Disneyland Japan; and Disneyland Paris. And the last one is Disney World. So I'm going to try it. I don't think it'll fit me, but I will give it a try. So.
And plus, when you wear that hat to work, it'll at least get the hair out of the food if you're working in the food department.
Or restaurant.
Or, yeah, restaurant.
But we know who will love Mickey Mouse.
Yeah, we do.
But we're not giving it away unless we will give it away if we have a pen that we already have, which is...
There's no pin on there.
Nope. So now it's my fiance turn to pick. Don't look down.
Oh, what's this?
Wait. I think they do Halloween, Christmas, and summer because we did it too late.
Oh, it's the
Wait, is that?
It's just like a little mini shirt of Nightmare Before Christmas.
I think is that for kids or a dog?
I'm not too sure.
Bottom sweater. Oh wait, that's for kids. So when we put down the roll line, they give us random because we're talking about our ages. So they give us a kid's Nightmare Before Christmas, or it can be for a dog too. We're not sure yet.
It might. You never know.
But we know my fiance like Nightmare Before Christmas. If you're gonna ask him if he's gonna give it away.
No, I'm not going to give this away. It's my most favorite thing in the world.
You want to put on this side? Because I have this one.
Alright.
Oh, no.
Fiance's turn.
I would do this. Oh, my God. I will show my fiance this. Who would want me to wear this? And it's a jewelry. But it's my fiance favorite. So will he want me to wear it or not? But I will show it. It's Nightmare Before Christmas! And it's an earring.
No, make her wear it.
Oh, you didn't tell them the cost, like how much it was.
Get back to
And it's a Nightmare Before Christmas, and I believe there's like a diamond. No, it's a neon Tuesday.
I don't know.
But like I said, I will wear on a Halloween day because my fiance will love it so much. But you can tell he has no earring.
No.
But I will wear. But I really love this. So it's my fiance time. What is it?
Oh, it's
Oh, the bracelet.
it's all bracelets. This is all bracelets right here. And it's all full of Nightmare Before Christmas. And I have not wearing bracelets for so long that I would be wearing these like almost every single day. I would.
Since it's almost Halloween, why not just wear it? Because my fiance has like this, and I will wear my earring, and he has the sweatshirt. We might put it in our puppy, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
That's cool. All right. Oh, that's cool.
Alright.
Oh no! Why? We will do this every month. We just need to not make no mistake. So I'm just my fiance would like this, but I think he gonna wear it around his keychain, around his. I don't know what he had, but
It's cute.
and this my fiance. Since I don't really like Nightmare Before Christmas, but my most favorite is My most favorite is Stitch. That's what I like about. But you're gonna ask, but mostly the main thing is my fiance. He's the Nightmare Before Christmas, which you can tell.
Bingo.
But anyway, here you go. It's a keychain. It's Jack Skeleton. And he is a pumpkin king. And it is. No, there's no cost. And that is that's pretty much it now. So give us a like or comment us because we're gonna put this on we might put this on Facebook or YouTube. So come back in and we're gonna do this every month.
Bye.